All right, Micah. Good morning. You say good morning to your friends?
Yahoo.
Okay, go. Does that mean good morning?
Yeah.
Yeah? You waiting on the van?
Yeah.
Yeah. She's actually been yelling because they're not here yet. Have you been yelling about the van not being here?
Yeah.
Does it make them get here faster when you yell? No, they're still coming, right? Yeah, they'll be here in about 5-10 minutes. Can you wait that long? You looking for Bridget?
No.
I sent her a text message last night. I haven't heard from her. Today's Friday. We'll see if she's coming to eat with you. That'll make you happy, huh? Uh-huh. Get a nice pretty pink scarf there. That was Lauren's.
I did it.
You got your purse with your money in it. You going out to eat?
Yeah.
Where do you think you're gonna go? Don't know. And who's this Flossie? Let's see. This is Lilybug. Hey, Lily. Lilybug.
She ain't gonna plump down.
You gonna get up there and plop down?
Nope.
She says nope.
I was just checking it out.
Tarzan found a box.
Bobo.
Hey, Bobo. Say hi to our YouTube friends. Here, sit. Bo, sit. That's a good boy. Say hi to our YouTube friends. You're supposed to be sitting. Hey, Bo, sit.
Bobo, sit.
Sit, Bo. There you go. That's a good boy. No, sit. I forgot to stay. Is that the problem? You don't sit if I don't say stay? I can't get you in the camera when you're doing all that.
Bo. Sit.
Oh, never mind.
Come here, Dupa.
Never mind. Good morning.
Howdy.
How are you today?
A little under the weather.
Under the weather? You don't feel good today? Oh, I'm sorry.
It happens.
Yeah,
It happens.
yeah.
So should I call Ghostbusters to make the van come through? Yeah. Is that gonna make them come? Yeah. I doubt that, but nice try. Why are you so hungry today? Is it your day to be hungry? You better check it at the door, girlfriend. Huh? You better check it at the door. You're gonna get in trouble if not, huh? Yes or no? No. Really? Did Mama just say, please stop? What was that? Yeah. All right then. Say, check it out. Look at me. Say, check it at the door. Check it at the door. There you go.
How do you say that?
Check it at the door. Look at me. Check it at the door. There you go. You got it. Close enough. Close enough.
They're coming.
Sweetheart, I can't. You just got
She's
it.
saying work when she says that. When she does her hands together like that, she's saying work.
Are you afraid they're gonna forget you? Yeah. Oh, really? Are you sure about that? Yeah. Not gonna. That's true. They just got here, so calm down.
Oh, they're here now?
You just rolled in. Just half a second ago.
All right, see you, Mikey. See you, Mikey.
Oh, what I had to leave the other day. Guess who followed me all the way across the street?
Bo, he followed you across the street?
Twice. Then I had. Then he came back. Then he went back, and then he went all the way across yet again.
Bo.
Dumb dog.
He likes the snow, Bo does. Alright, we have an adventurous girlio right here. Alright, you need to come in the house. Come on. Come on. Come on. Look at this, guys. We've got a Tarzan and a Lillie laying right up next to each other for the very first time. And there's Miss Sophie. Meow, meow.